Color correction and color grading in Adobe Premiere Mobile let you control the look of your video directly on your phone. Color correction focuses on fixing exposure and color balance, while color grading is about creating a style or mood. You can start by applying preset looks. To apply a look, tap the clip on your timeline. Then open the Looks panel from the bottom menu. Scroll through the presets and tap one to apply it. After choosing a look, use the intensity slider to control how strong the effect appears. Select this icon to apply the look to every clip in your timeline. For manual color correction, select the clip and open the Adjust panel. Then go to Color. Use temperature to make your footage warmer or cooler, and Tint to correct green or magenta color casts. Vibrance boosts muted colors without pushing skin tones too far, while Saturation increases the strength of all colors evenly. To fine-tune contrast, adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights. You can also add finishing touches for style. Vignette darkens or lightens the edges of the frame to draw attention to the center, and Grain adds texture for a more cinematic look. These effects should be used lightly to avoid overpowering the image. By combining preset looks with quick manual adjustments, you can apply a finished grade in just a few taps. We hope this helps. Subscribe for more Adobe tips.